Happy morning, Brompton riders. The view from the 16th floor. I am heading towards the cafe to meet all the Brompton owners of Mumbai. The Bromptons are displayed at Breve Café, Mumbai, Bandra West. The colors are fire coral, raw lacquer, red, blue, and tempest blue. And after this, we'll be meeting all the Brompton owners of Mumbai. A small discussion or a chit chat between the Brompton riders and the owners of Mumbai at Breve Cafe. Heading towards Cristala di Aguada with my Brompton. The full historical functions will be shared in the next video. Do support your Brompton Buddy YouTube channel.